Okay. Ooh. Yo, what up? What up? Anybody interesting in the Forex market this morning? Let me see y'all. So I'm about to start really quick, guys. But let me tell you what's going on the screen right here. So this is GBP USD here. And as you can see, it's been, in a downtrend, for a minute. So you see that support line right here, this red line. Uh, so that's it. That's all you came to do. Yeah, so you can see the support line, guys.
But at least you have a sitting buddy.
um, sorry about that, guys. So that was my wife talking to me. We were walking out. But okay, guys. So it's pretty good out here too. So yeah, guys. So this is GBP USD, guys. I'm in a long for it. So I've been monitoring this since Friday because I was already in it. I got out. I could sell from here to that level right here to all the way down here, guys. So yeah. And then let me go to my trading so you guys can see the trade. So this is the trade I'm in, guys. This is a GBP USD. As you can see, I got a good position, and you can see I'm up almost 500. So we're gonna let this run for a couple hours and get 1K, and then we'll see. But for those of you guys who don't know me, I go by name Wide, like wide open, the wide open field. That's my first name. But my YouTube channel name, I go by name Money Genie FX. So basically, what we talk about this channel, it's mainly finance. Uh, Anything that has to do with finance. It is, investment. It's there you gotta, you wanna learn how to trade. And right before we start, I'm not a Forex teacher. I don't teach. I don't have a course, but I do offer to help people out, people who's struggling who need help. So I do offer them some help. So this is gonna be the reason why you're gonna see my face. It's not. I'm not here to sell you a course or to sell you anything. Okay. So this is something that I do, that I love to do, and I do it, on the side. You feel me? So, and I have knowledge. I went to school to learn how to do it, and I've been practicing for 3 years, guys, and I've, make some money. And right now, I currently don't have a job, and this is what I gotta do full time. I don't do it full time because I have I have businesses and shit like that. So, I do a little bit of both. That's what I'm trying to say. but I don't trade full time. I just make some money when I need it, and then get out. Whatever I need, I went and trade and solve my problem, and then that's it. But this year, I want to just go in and start helping people out. Whether you're new to Forex, whether like you're trying to learn with someone, because I learn every day. I'm learning every day. Forex is a learning thing, so you can't ever know everything about Forex. So a little bit about this account, guys. This is my life account, guys. I deposited $3,000, guys, and you can see profit. You can see the profit is 1,140. So basically, I'm gonna flip that account at least to $5,000 today. So we'll see. The balance right now is 4,140. So we'll see if we can bring that to 5K, and then we'll be done today, guys. So as you can see, guys, I took a couple trade, and all the person basically I follow this guy on YouTube. His name is JPay. I think he got a JPay Tech Profit slogan, something like that. But I watch all of his video, guys, and that's where I learned a lot of stuff. And also I took several Forex courses, and I learned from a lot of people. I have friends who trade binary option. I also do binary option. I invest in stock. So that's why I'm telling you guys, this channel is going to be really helpful for you guys. For those of you guys who are watching this, who never know that I've done Forex before, yes, I do. I just don't have a spot where I can actually fully sit down and have the office and basically focus on that, because which is my next goal, to have a spot just for Forex where I can actually focus, because I do music, I DJ, I do a lot of stuff, guys. So and I'm sorry for the background, guys, because I'm like I said, I'm at the park with my wife. We're trying to exercise a little bit, even though I'm not focused on exercise, because I want to show you guys stuff you can do with Forex. But back to Forex, guys. So you can see I win like pretty much pretty much all my trade. I lose a couple, because you can't win all. If you're trying to be that guy, I feel sorry for you, because Forex, nobody can control it. So you can't lose, but you better know your skills enough to win more than you lose. So you shouldn't be losing more than you're winning. And when I first started, guys, that was my problem. I was losing a lot of trade because I was being greedy, not because I didn't know what I was doing. But I was trying to be greedy and trying to take trade, and when I lose one, I was trying to. It was just a mess, guys. Okay, so in this channel, I'm gonna tell you guys everything everything I did, what I've been through, so you guys won't, go through it. So I'm gonna go keep scrolling, guys. You can see, I only pretty much trade the GBP pairs, and I also have like a couple pairs that I trade as well. So I lost, you can see the losses are not big compared to the winnings. So that's the idea, guys. So we're trying to flip this account, trying to make money, and that's what we're doing, guys. So we see a little bit of retracement, but I'm not worried about it, because I'm gonna let this trade going, and you guys can watch this. Watch the trade do his thing. And another thing I forgot to mention, the reason why I went, for a buy. So technically, guys, you can see the 200 moving hardwood. You can see it cross right here, crosses right here, right here, where you see that dot right here, and then it went all the way up, and then went all the way down. We test, the 200 again. So ever since, guys, you haven't seen it break it. So I was really looking for that, and then when I see that it didn't go down to break the 200 moving average, so I was like, you know what, I'm getting ready for a long position. So that's when I got ready and entered 3 position. So like I said, we'll see. We'll let this run, and we'll be ready to take a profit. And then another thing I forgot to mention, so you guys have to make sure that you set your take profit. So take profit and stop losses. So I don't do stop loss on this trade, because if I would have to do a stop loss, guys, the stop loss would have to be somewhere down here, because I don't think the market will reverse that much to touch that. You feel me? So if it's something that you guys want to do, you can do it. Yes. Yeah. So as you can see, it's heading to my take profit, but I got two different take profits. So I got take profit one and take profit two. And guys, again, this is something, if you guys want to learn all about this take profit, stop loss, and everything, you can just learn from it. Okay. Yeah. So this is what we do. We trade, and we trade and exercise. Okay, guys. So I'm really, really, really waiting for this trade, guys. So hit, and then I'm gonna watch this trade really, really careful, guys, because there's a possibility for this thing to go past take profit two and actually stop right here. But right now, we'll see. Got wifey behind me. All right, you guys. So I think I'm gonna leave you guys here, guys, because uh, you guys can see for yourself what's going on. Yeah. All right. I'll wait. Uh, all right, you guys. So I'm back at it again, guys. So um, while we at this, guys, I don't want you guys to just stay at this screen. So we're gonna let this trade run. And like I said, guys, let's see. I got GBP ad. So we got GBP ad, guys. That's been falling. So we're waiting on that, and we'll see. We'll see if this gonna head to the upside, going up. But that's what I'm trying to say, guys. Sorry. So we'll see. So we'll wait for it to do his thing, and when we're ready, we'll happen and see what we can do. So we'll just keep scrolling. This is the trader man GBP USD. Let's look at GBP GPY. I missed on that, guys. You can see the support, the strong support, and the strong resistance. So that shit went past to both of them. So I did make some money on GBP, GPY when it was going up. Let me go back to my trades history so I can show you guys what I'm talking about. So I made $290 right here. That's the trade. So and it was March 16, 2022, guys. At 17:38 was not even 6 o'clock. But yeah, so I took a trade there, um, and I made some profit. I made 290, and I think I made another $65 from it. You see, same date, March 16, 2022. I made another 65. Let's just say I made another this 350. And also I had other pairs that I was trading that day. Um, mhm. GBP NCD, it's been doing the same thing with GBP ad. So we were watching. GBP ad and GBP NCD, I don't know, they move pretty much the same, guys. You can see, pretty much the same thing. We're waiting for an uptrend, guys. A sign that the thing wanna go up. That's what I meant to say. Same thing with GBP ad. So we're not interested in any of these pairs right now. So and then old cat. So I did make some money. When you see this orange uh um horizontal line at, so that's where I enter for a buy. But that was yesterday, I think. So it went up and went back again. So I catch it when it was going down. So I got out, but I didn't make a lot of money of it. So no, so I lied. It was right here. It was right here because when I see it's forming the second candle, guys. Because you can see the strong support zone right here that I had, Lipo. So I see that it was about, really bouncing, and then you didn't want to go through. So that's when I went and enter, and then I moved this here because I was looking for a second entry. So that's why you see this here. But yeah, I entered this position right here, guys, and I was able to eat all the way from here to there. All right, guys. Well, I guess what I'm trying to say, guys, is trading. It require a lot of patience, and you gotta know your skill. You gotta know what you're doing. If not, you're gonna lose money. So we can actually scalp this and get some sell. But we're not chasing trade over here, guys. If we miss it, we miss it. We'll wait for it. And then I also do invest in Bitcoin, guys. So if you wanna know uh, what's going on with Shiba Inu. It's another yeah, that's another one right here. So yeah, guys. So I think